Hey guys, Cousin Freddy here. In this video, I'm going to give you the links of some of the free website to download the stock images. So if you are a website designer or a graphic designer, you might have fell into a problem where you will need the images for your website or the graphic design, and you just don't understand that where can you get quality stock images or the free images that you can use for your project. So the very first website that I want to highlight is this Burst. This is actually from Shopify. You can search for burst.shopify.com and this website will appear. You can download stunning images for your website and for the commercial uses, that also without any cost. All of these images are free to use. For example, if you are a fitness website, then just click on this fitness and you will see all the images available that you can use for your website. The next website that we have is called Reshot. From this website, you can actually download the icons and illustrations. As you can see here, you can download 3D illustration, 2D illustration, and you can download the icons here as well. If I click on illustrations and if I search for work here, you'll see all of these illustrations that are available related to work category. This website is called reshot.com, reshot.com. The next website that I have is Negative Space. You can use this website also to download the images. The URL for this website is negativespace.co. There are categories available that you can choose from. So for example, if I click on this abstract, you will see all of the images available in the abstract category. And if I choose any of this image, I can actually download this image, download free stock photo. So the next website that we have is called Stocksy, Stocksy, Stocksy. The URL is stocksy.com. And again, you can use search bar here to search for different kind of images that you want. So for example, if I search for luxury home, you can see all of the home related images are showing here. The next website is stocksnap.io. Stocksnap.io. There are also, you can download the free stock images for your next project. The next website that I have is called Life of Pix. It has this kind of logo. The website is Life of Pix. So probably if I go all the way down in the footer, they don't have a name here. By the way, the URL is lifeofpix.com. You can download the images from there as well. The next website is Picography, picography.co. You can download stock images for free from here as well. The next website is styledstock.co, styledstock.co. From here, you can click on our images, and from here, you can download any kind of stock images that you want. As you can see here, these are some of the stock images that are available in their gallery. The next website that we have is very popular, pexels.com. This one is very popular. The next one is unsplash.com. This one is popular as well. You might already know about this website. And the final website is pixabay.com. So from the Pixabay, you can actually download images, illustrations, vectors, videos, music, sound effects, GIFs, and a lot many things. So this one is really great website. I hope you will like this video related to resources. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and make sure you hit the bell icon so that you will always get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.